Hey, this is Ketogenic Jim. This morning, which it used to be morning, but now it's actually around 1 o'clock, I am doing iced coffee. If you have access to hot coffee, you have access to iced coffee with a plastic bottle. Okay, what we have done is cut a 2-liter bottle to make a funnel. Okay, now that our funnel is full of ice, we're gonna make our coffee. Okay, now we have our double strength hot coffee. You want it to be double strength because you're going to be using a lot less liquid to make the coffee, but then it's gonna dilute into the ice. Now we're just going to add a couple spoonfuls of ice just to top it off. There you go, iced coffee. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. Black iced coffee is great. If you don't like black coffee, get some almond milk and put into it. It's probably my best recommendation. It's the lowest carb. It's perfect for it. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get in touch for any ketogenic coaching, ketogenicjim@gmail.com or any of my social media, Ketogenic Jim. Thanks so much, guys. You have a great day.